So these two are joysticks, right? So this one is for channel 1. That one, yeah. It just turns the motor. This one is for channel 2, which does the same thing. And then this one, this is for 3 and 4. It's the same as channel 2, but it doesn't bounce back. So like it stays in position. And then channel 4 is this one, which is the same thing as channel 1. And then this is essentially an off-on switch. So you can have, there's 3 states. There's like the on state, the off state, and then there's like the on in the opposite direction state.
That is for channel 5.
Yeah, it's channel 5. And then this is channel 6, which is just a knob that can control the speed depending on where it is, like how much it's turned. So this one is high power and low power. So this is low power and this is high power. It just changes the speed of the motor. Yeah, and then these are essentially offsets. So like you can essentially change the 0 position. So like this is channel 1, right? So if I were to change its 0 position enough, you would see it would start moving. And like I've just set the default speed to like higher than 0. Then I can go to 0 by turning it like the joystick this way. And then if I ever want to go back to 0, I just press in the opposite direction until I hear like that, which is the long beep, which means it's at 0. And then it's the same for all 4 of these except like for different like channels. Like all 4 of these are for different channels.
But it doesn't really say which one is which one, so we need to memorize like which one is which
Yeah,
one.
this is the
this
first.
is for this.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, yeah. So this one is for this. This one is for this. This one is for this, and this one is for this.
Oh,
They're kind of like visually explained by where they are and which direction they go.
and then the channel, the mix mode, we're able to see B, but not really
Yeah.
Just if anything is messed up, if configuration is messed up completely, how to go back to the default?
Okay, essentially, if you mess up something very badly, then you have to essentially turn this off, cut the power from the motors, and then now it should be set to 0. And then once you reconnect it, you can see now it's back to flashing like orange. And then you want to press bind, and then it should just be set back to 0.
The lights go solid.
Yeah, the light goes solid.
Alright. So what about these one?
These are for servos.
Oh, okay. For servos.